Guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to show you when we are trying to install the Windows, sometimes we will feel an issue we could not find any drives. So this is the major issues sometimes is happening, we could not figure it out why it is, so most of the time we could not complete our installation process. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. What you have to do is you can unplug the pen drive and connect it to any working PC. And my laptop, so my laptop is actually HP, where I'm going to install Windows. So open HP drivers, go to all drives. Okay, and if you go down, you can see driver storage, click that one. And the second one, Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. I hope you can visible this one. So download this file. I already download this one, so I will just open. Okay, run. Next I'm going to extract the file. Okay, so save file in a folder. So where you have to save this file is actually directly saved to your pen drive, the same which one you installed iOS. So create a folder in that one and copy it there. Okay, so I already did that one, so I'm not skipping that step. Okay, first after you extracting the file, remove the pen drive and connect with your PC. So you have to do a restart, you have to come up same this page again, and there you can see I will show you the next step. You have to load driver, press enter, and the install device driver for the drive. Okay, so browse it, and here you can select the USB and the KL. Okay, so this is the folder name I given installation. In that one there is a file named F6. Okay, just enter. So as you can see, Intel RST VM3 controller is pop up. So just okay, so it's going to install here. This driver is going to install. After that all the driver going to be visible. Yes, it's working. So as you can see, after I installed the driver, everything is going to work perfectly. So I'm going to change my Windows. I'm going to format everything and install my new Windows. So hope you guys this video is helpful for you. Okay, see you in the next video.